We have an extraordinary platform for education at Washington University.
You should come to Washington University Orthopedics for your fellowship training because we provide what you want.
Our faculty engage in education. Our fellows come in as instructors, so they have the opportunity within that role to work with some of the leaders across that subspecialty area in the United States and around the world.
You know, WashU Medical Center, the medical school, is one of the top rated in the country.
We have leaders in the field, internationally recognized experts.
I think also having the ability to have a diverse range of opinions. We have a weekly conference where we present cases, and oftentimes we disagree. And I think it's useful for fellows to see that there are multiple ways to attack problems and hopefully multiple solutions to any particular answer.
We want to make sure that they have the practical experience of spending time with patients, spending time with us in the operating room, and really seeing and learning how high quality care is provided.
WashU has had a tradition of recruiting the top people available so that you have a high level of expertise and people that are really dedicated to providing the highest level of service.
They'll get to see what really is the cutting edge. You know, they'll get to live what we talk about on the podium.
So with the research that you'll do as a fellow and the research that you will see around you as a fellow, it's going to equip you to both continue research in your career as well as critically appraise the literature that comes out that's going to guide your clinical course during your career.
They get to see the entire scope of care, from evaluating patients in clinic to making the right diagnosis and coming up with a treatment plan, then assisting them in surgery, and eventually assuming an active role in surgery, and then seeing the patients after surgery. So it's the entire spectrum of care.
But we also want to teach outside of the clinic and outside of the operating room. And so we have a regularly scheduled outstanding speaker series, and so that can be lectures, that can be didactic and interactives. We have journal clubs where you come to my home and experience a discussion about a specific topic. And so all of those different forums add up to an educational process which is really hard to beat.
We have incredible people with incredible resources, and we have the commitment to really help you achieve what you want to achieve. And we're going to be there long term for you as well.
We provide outstanding patient care. We are role models, and we will develop a relationship with you that'll last your career.
Our commitment as a department is to make a difference. We want to have an impact.
We love what we do. We're passionate about what we do. And I think that we model the types of activities and behaviors that we think that reflect our personal values.
You'll have friends, you'll have mentors, you'll have people who will provide opportunities for you well after your fellowship ends.
So in our mission areas, which include clinical care, education, research, and leadership, we feel we can be number one in the world.
I think that if you were going to be a fellow here, you're going to see all of us, honestly, like a former fellow put it, we see what we want, we run after it with everything we have.
What you want in a fellowship is you want a great year, you want great educational experience, you want great clinical experience. We give you all that, but I would say we give you more, and that's why you should come to Washington University Orthopedics.